What's good, YouTube? My name is Capital Bros D, back again for another Capital Bros video. It's been some time since my last solo. I think it was the trading series. Yeah, and for today's video, I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on a monthly contest thing I will be doing. Now then, I've mainly been doing contests in the Stilter, down low. Curtis normally informs you guys with the contests he does. But I thought I'd take on a little challenge for this month. Now every month, HFM has these virtual to real demo contests. Excuse me, I'm parched. Every month they have a virtual to real contest, demo contest. Now I'll be doing this one. This is probably my third one, but I'll be doing this one and hoping to at least come in the top 3, because usually I don't come anywhere close to the top 10. Mainly because the way I've been trading then compared to the way I trade now is completely different. My trading analysis is completely different. My consistency is completely different. My let's say win to loss ratio is completely different. I actually have a proper structural plan now. Let's not say that. I have a proper footing and all that other jazz. Yeah, thought I'd just inform you guys. It's a monthly contest. They have these contests every month. Virtual to real demo contest, like I said. Let me just give you guys a little show here. Here it is. Boom. If you have an account, easy to get this. It's an every month thing, so you don't have to deposit any money. Just if you have an account, go to the My Wallet. That's My Wallet. Yeah, My Wallet on your account. You'll see there. You will have your real account, demo, and then there will be demo accounts, and then they will basically have 2 options. Now though, these demo contests work only with MT4. I'm not really that big of a fan on MT4. I did make a trade. I've been trading now this week, getting used to it again, and yeah, I've been in the profit. I haven't lost the trade yet. Go virtual to demo, blah blah blah, South Africa exclusive. Participate now virtual to real demo contest. But oh yes, it's a South African exclusive. If you didn't know. Participate in now virtual to real contest where there's no monetary risk, just exciting rewards. Where you can now showcase your trading skills. Where you want to test your trading skills. I advise, those of you who like to trade using your demo accounts, and I advise you to do this, just to build up your skills. As Jody would say, sharpen your blade, hone your skills, sharpen that blade. Yeah, I am so parched. I'm so sorry. And yeah, and then these are the prizes. $500 for the first place with a crystal obelisk. Now I want the obelisk. I don't know how it looks, but I just want it. Yeah, but yeah. First place $500, second place $300, third place $100. And then they say there, all prizes are credited to live trading accounts. So these are live. These are actual trading accounts. These are funded accounts that you win. And yeah, I could do a little extra account to play around with. Here's these are the month's winners. This is the November current score. Sorry, the top 10. I am not there. I feel like these are the guys that just go all in. They go all in on this accounts. So they risk everything. And if it's a win, it's a win. That's why they have this heavier high percentages. And I feel like later on through the month it's gonna dwindle down. But yeah, normally I notice every month with this at the start of the month, there's these high people, there's these people that have these high percentages from the get-go, first, second, third of the month, and then they just throughout the month, because they're basically gambling. So yeah, just wanted to give a quick brief update on this, and then at the end of the month I'll give you an update again on how far I got with the contest, where am I sitting, if I won or not, blah, all that other jazz. Yeah, quick video. Oh, if you don't have an HFM account, links are in the description. If you haven't heard, Capital Bros is running a competition also our own little small contest. We're giving away a $5,000 funded account. funded account to trade with. So like if you win it, you can't pull the money. There's been some people asking me if they can pull the money. It's a funded account. The fact that you ask me if you can pull the money means that you don't know what a funded account is, but we move. Yeah, so let's hope I get at least in the top 3 so I can have another account to play around with. And yeah, good luck to you guys joining the competition. It's been a pleasure. Peace.